Let's see how you can make a profit by trading with the Ultimate Oscillator on Cryptohopper. What is the Ultimate Oscillator? One way to trade with the Ultimate Oscillator as a technical analysis tool. The Ultimate Oscillator is a momentum indicator that uses a combination of 3 timeframes to measure momentum in the market. By combining short, medium, and long-term momentum, the Ultimate Oscillator can give traders a better idea of when to enter or exit a trade. How to trade Optimism with the Ultimate Oscillator. The classical way to trade with Optimism with the Ultimate Oscillator is to look for oversold conditions in the market. When the Ultimate Oscillator dips below 30, it is considered oversold, indicating a potential buying opportunity for Optimism. We will then look for overbought conditions in the market using. When the Ultimate Oscillator rises above 70, it is considered overbought, indicating a potential selling opportunity for Optimism. At Cryptohopper, we have tested multiple settings for trading Optimism with the Ultimate Oscillator in order to find the best ones. In our backtest, we took into account a 0.1% fee per trade. Each position was taken with the entire account, and no slippage was taken into account. We used all the data available on Binance until the present day. The best settings, from what we tested, were the following. Chart period equals 20 minutes, period 1 equals 1, period 2 equals 24, period 3 equals 30, oversold equals 35, overbought equals 60. This strategy brought in a profit of 608%, significantly more than the 90% of the buy and hold. Additionally, the drawdown was 39%, which is also less than the 80% of the buy and hold. Disclaimer. However, it's important to remember that past performance does not guarantee future success, and traders should always be prepared that the market can change and that a strategy that used to work very well before suddenly doesn't work anymore.